Hello everyone, this is my brand new archery case and I would like to show it to you all today in this video. So first let's start by opening the case, and I already had this, so it's not unopened yet. So we already opened it and it has 2,400 bands, and today I'm going to show you how to make the bands and each single time. Keep it on the side. Okay, so there will be this thing which is like a stander and 100 S clips that look like this. They look very much like these S clips right here. Okay, so let's start with one. So let's start with this one. Let's keep this on the side that you can also watch it. So first we start from here and make it. First we start from here and make a twist like this. Now we take another color like this green one, and then if you want, you can take this one or this one to get it up. In from the hole, you can take it up like this. And then we continue this process every time we start this part. You always make a turn on the first one, and then on the second one you don't make a turn. So let's start with this one next, with this pink one, and now let's put it around it and turn it. Now we have to pull this like this, like that. And I'll show you something else, which is like a rainbow band. Like this type of rainbow band, which is very nice. It's quite comfortable. It feels very nice. It feels nice and soft, and this is how it will look like at the end. So let's continue this process until to the end. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon, and don't forget to leave a comment below. And leave a comment below now. See, we already got so much this far, and if it's already done like a bit like 10 centimeters, around 8.5 centimeters, take one S clip and take the two bands that you have from here, like this, and put it inside like this. So there's that S already at the end. The band will be around 1 inch, so it will be actually okay. Always when you use it, take the most different colors that you know that when you do it, identical, that you know when you use it, that you know that you can't put 2 bands and then put 2 on top of 1. That's not allowed. Then your band will break. Okay, so let's put on this band a cat. How to put it? Let's do it. This cat, that's too small. Let's take this unicorn. Like this. Make sure it doesn't come out. And let's continue the process. One got away. When you do this, it's quite complicated. Make sure that we have the same color so it looks invisible. We currently have this and the unicorn already done. So let's take like these bands left and then we'll stop. Wow, look how much we already did. Let's take a dark one. And don't forget, you can take any color which you like, any inside the case. And if you want to know that, you can also make your own band and you can use it for this if you want. don't forget, send me some photos if you make such type of pen. I can make this design to make another video of it. Okay, now after it's done, so take both ends out at once and put them onto one finger on your thumb. Then take it and put it on two fingers like this, and then attach that S clip from before onto it, and then the band is done. See? And plus we have our friend the unicorn here. I hope you liked this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel just like I said before. Bye bye.